Have you ever seen a painting with a whole bunch of colors on it, and to you it just looks really busy and it's not attractive and you're not wanting to look at it? Well, I have some tips that you could use a large amount of color, create harmony, and it'll be very visually pleasing for the viewer to look at. Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. So one thing that you need to look at when you're creating a painting is how to get all those colors together so they create some harmony. They are unified so that the viewer just won't be dizzy with all the colors that you use. I have a couple of tips I like to talk about. The first one is when you create your palette. So let's say that you have a palette of yellow, red, and green. What you need to do so they all will be unified and create a sense of harmony is take some of the colors and you're going to blend it together. Now this color that you blend together, you're going to use just a little bit of it in each of the colors so it will become unified and create a sense of harmony. So you will have the colors there, the colors will still pop, but it won't be so busy that the viewer's eyes just get really dizzy. Another way to do it is create a base color on your canvas. So I have this base color that I painted. Then once again, you could use all your colors you want and take the base color and just add a little bit in to your colors that you're going to use to create a sense of harmony. This way it won't be busy, but it still will be quite colorful. So I hope that helps you. So until next Tuesday, I'll see you then. Love you guys. Bye-bye.